apparently the excavator was putting a last piece of concrete on a sidewalk, and the person that's out, when they're doing something like that to traffic, stop traffic, warn somebody that something might be coming into the road, that didn't happen. And I mean, there wasn't even anything lit. There were no caution, no lighting of any sort, because apparently they were doing everything during the day. And even when I pulled over and got out, they're like, you okay? Like, yes, thank God, there was no one in the back seat, because there was earlier. There wasn't this time, because as you can see, if someone was in the back seat, it would have been bad.